Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to archive a project in Asana and how you can view those archived projects when you need them. Archiving projects is a great way to keep your workspace organized without losing any important information. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing in to Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your admin dashboard where you can manage all your tasks, projects, and teams. Step 2. Archiving a project. Now, let's say you want to archive a project. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your project list. Choose the project you want to archive. To archive the project, right-click on the project's name. This will bring up a menu with options like renaming the project, changing the color or icon, or sharing the project. To archive it, simply click on Archive Project. This will move the project to the Archived section, and it will no longer appear in your active project list, helping you keep things tidy. Step 3. Finding your archived projects. Now that we've archived a project, how do we find it again? It's very easy. To view your archived projects, click on the Project Options drop-down menu, located on the top of your project list. From the drop-down, you'll see an option called Browse Projects. Click on this option, and you'll see all the current active projects. But what about the archived ones? Step 4. Changing your view to see archived projects. Here's where it gets a bit tricky. By default, the Browse Projects view only shows active projects. To view your archived projects, you'll need to adjust the filter options. In the Browse Projects section, look for the status filter. You'll see options like Active, Completed, and Archived. Simply click on Archived, and you'll be able to see all the projects that have been archived. This is an easy way to toggle between your active projects and archived projects, depending on what you need to see. Step 5. Restoring an archived project. So, what if you need to work on an archived project again? No worries. It's just as simple to restore an archived project. Once you've found the archived project in the Archived section, click on the project. You'll see a Restore button that you can click to bring the project back into your active project list. This will make it visible again, and you can continue working on it as needed. You can repeat this process for any other archived project you want to restore. It's important to note the difference between archiving and deleting projects. Archiving a project keeps all the data, tasks, and history intact, but removes it from your active workspace. This is helpful when you're finished with a project but might need to reference it later. On the other hand, deleting a project removes everything permanently. Be careful when deleting projects, as you won't be able to recover them once they're gone. Step 6. Viewing archived projects and portfolios. You can also add archived projects to a portfolio if needed. This allows you to keep track of multiple projects, including archived ones, in a single place. Simply add the archived project to the portfolio, and it will appear alongside other active projects. And that's it! Archiving projects in Asana is a great way to keep your workspace organized without losing important data. You can easily find and restore archived projects whenever you need them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Asana tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.